and takes number, let's say 15 or 10 for consideration of the Supreme Judicial Council. Now eventually the Supreme Judicial Council decides whether number 15 is correct or not. But the real problem lies in when you select for nomination or consideration of the Supreme Judicial Council the 9 members, you cannot deprive the Supreme Judicial Council to even consider the first 1 or 2. So at this point in time, what is being happening is that the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan nominates not the first, not the second, not the third, but let's say he nominates the 6th for consideration of the Supreme Judicial Council. If that happens, in essence what is he doing? He is rejecting the first 5 single-handedly, which power the Chief Justice doesn't have. This power vests with the Supreme Judicial Council. So the one way out would be that, sir, fine, you decide and make these appointments on merit. Don't appoint number 1 in seniority. Appoint even number 25th if you have to. But at least the Supreme Judicial Council should consider number 1 first, number 2 second, and if the Supreme Judicial Council says no or in top are rejected, they should be rejected. But the Chief Justice of Pakistan, with respect, the Honorable Chief Justice, so far has been making nominations by single-handedly rejecting the top tier. In my humble opinion, that power does not vest with the Honorable Chief Justice. That power, the Constitution vests expressly with the Supreme Judicial Council. So that is one anomaly. But there could be so many other interesting examples, interesting case studies. This was only an introductory lecture, and I am very thankful to all of you for having patiently listened to this lecture. Thank you very much. Mehrbani.
जवाब तक नहीं भी अभी आप जा सकते हैं।